Thank you. Just go get our shoe sizes. Yeah. All right. Cool. Oh, okay. Thank you.
No, Tom, you can't do one double call. You're outside your foot. You're foot up and being injured. It's not right.
I like the green one. Not too wide. Red. Let's go, red.
Already break.
Who's gonna pick up the phone?
Yeah.
Just spell out the random number on your phone, Dave. You can tell them right that you won the game.
Nice. Got her. Good luck, dude. Nice. Nice. Get a spare. Spare. Nah. Close.
I wonder how many pins they have to throw it up because those seem like totally different.
Ah, gutter.
Yeah, they're all totally different pins. Because the other thing is not gonna. Do they have like an infinite supply of pins here? I like to think who they do.
I'm just recording it for fun.
And then you're recording it for fun.
Refuse. Good luck, Thomas. You got it. Come on. Oh, dude, are you gonna get a strike? Oh, how are you gonna get that spare?
I don't know. Yeah, look up there trying to figure out how you're supposed to get that. And it's like, oh, there you go. Hit one and they're just
It bounces back to hit that
it's a
one.
lucky one.
Yeah, so let's see. Can you get the spare?
You have to be lucky about it.
No,
Hit one, do the same thing you did. That can hit the other.
Ah! Oh! Got it, Colin. Come on. No, got her, dude. Got her. Come on. Hey, good luck. Okay. Okay. Oh, you got the singer's Thomas too. Hey, good hit though. Good hit. There we go. Dude, you almost got a strike.
That little wobbly one.
The wobbler.
The wobbler doesn't like you.
What they call it, the wobbler?
No, I can call it that.
The wobbler. Okay, get a spare, dude. Spare. No. Hey. All right. mine's mine. Alright, get a spare. Oh, it's close, dude, but good job.
I don't want to hear you talking. I don't want to hear you.
I know.
Nice. Good luck. Oh, good roll. Nice.
Doing one pick. See if I can just pick. Okay. Grab your ball. Go. No. No, left point.
Nah, I gotta go. Got her. Come on. Nope.
It's just like